Hello everyone. I want to tell you something that I am really excited about. My new Ryzen 7 1700 AMD processor and computer build. Yes, I'm excited about this computer build, and here is what I will be using. The Ryzen 7 1700. I'll be using this LG Blu-ray disk drive. I will be using the new Asus Prime B350 Plus, designed for Ryzen 7 and Ryzen processors motherboard. A 250 gigabyte SSD hard drive, a clean install of Windows 10 Pro, an EVGA 500 watt power supply, two 8 gigabyte sticks of DDR 2400 RAM from Corsair, and the Corsair Carbide 100R Silent Edition mid-tower case. So people ask me, why do I like AMD products? Well, in 1998 I bought my first AMD K62 266 processor. Because of AMD, they were in direct competition with Intel, and they drove the prices of PCs down for everyday people under $1,000. Now, my first computer was about $1,200 back in 1998. And it had 32 megabytes of memory, a 4 gig hard drive, and it ran at 266 megahertz.